In this video, we are going to look at the calendar tool that is built into your Schoology account. And the calendar tool is going to be an important one for you to get in the habit of using, as it's a really good way to help you with any communication and organization that you're going to need across your classes. Your calendar can be accessed in several ways in your Schoology account. So when you first log on to Schoology and you see your course dashboard, on the right-hand side here, you're going to see that you have this column that lists any overdue assignments that you might have and any upcoming assignments that you might have. You can click on the little link over here where it says calendar, and this is going to take you to your calendar view. You can also always click on the calendar icon in the top bar that runs across the Schoology page no matter where you are. So when you click on the calendar view, it's going to bring you to your calendar overview here. And right now I have this displayed by the month. You're going to see that in my calendar, I can hover over each of these different entries, and it's going to show me the name of the course that the assignment might be a part of. So for instance, here I'm hovering over and I see Miss Kelly's English 10 class has an assignment due. And down here, I can hover over this assignment and see that Miss Kelly's 4th grade class also has an assignment due. You're going to see that these are also color-coded, and this is going to be a good way to help you organize any of your assignments that you have in courses or any groups that you're a part of. So up in the top of your calendar screen, you're going to see that you have these numbers of calendars here. When I click on this drop-down arrow, this is going to show me a list of all of the courses or groups that I might be a part of. You might only have 4 or 5 classes right now that you can see, and when you click on these check boxes, it's going to toggle on and off the calendars for that specific course. So if I want to turn off the calendar for Miss Kelly's English 10, I'm no longer going to see those entries on my calendar there. You're also going to see that you have these little color blocks next to the name of your calendar. And when you click on that, it's going to give you some color options. So maybe you want to go in here and change some of the colors around to help you visually organize any of the courses that you might have coming up. One of the things that I do want you to take notice of is the first calendar in your list is going to be the Me calendar. This is your personal calendar. So you can kind of think of this like a daily agenda that you might have used. So when you are working with the Me calendar, by default, that's going to be shown in blue. So here's your Me calendar here, and as you're looking at this, you might see that you have some items on here. But you have the ability to add some entries into your calendar that you would like to work with. So let's say on Saturday, you would like to add your own event as a reminder. So you might come in here and say, finish art assignment as a reminder to yourself to help you stay organized. You could put a description in for yourself. You could link any files that you would like to put there. And you could see right in the bottom here that this is going to be posted to your Me calendar. When you go ahead and hit create, you'll now see that you've posted an assignment for yourself or a reminder in your personal calendar. When you go back into your calendars here, you can turn on all of the other calendars that you might need to see, and you will see that these blue entries are the entries that you have added into there. Another way that you can access a calendar is right through the course that you are in. And the difference that you're going to see here is you're going to see your upcoming on the right-hand side with a little calendar icon, and you could click right into this calendar icon here, and that's going to open up a calendar for you specifically for that course. So now we know in your English 10 section, you might have all of these different assignments due, and when you click into that assignment, you're able to view what it is. You could click view item, and that's going to bring you right to that assignment area. So those are 2 different ways that you can access your calendars and get to using that feature in Schoology, right through the calendar icon at the top of your page or directly from inside one of the courses that you are in.